What if running your business was simpler? With Elapix, you can run everything about your business from one place. Here's how to get started. From our landing page, click on Get Started. Click here to continue with Google or fill in the sign-up form with your name, email, password, and business name. Select your country and if you were referred by someone, enter the affiliate code. Agree to our terms of services and click Create Business Account. Your account will be created successfully and you'll be redirected to tell us about your business in just 3 steps. 1. Enter your phone number and select your business type. 2. Claim your website address for free. And 3. Pick your website design from our collection of professionally designed templates. You can always change your template later. Click Launch My Store and just like that, your online store is live. You may set up your delivery options immediately or skip for now. That's all. Copy this link to preview your new online store. Head back to your dashboard to start running your business in one place.